The multidisciplinary roles that tackle the challenge of creating a secure cyberspace. Within the last minute, millions of people have accessed their banking information, sent text messages, watched videos on YouTube, liked and commented on their friends' social media posts, and accessed medical records. Just last year, the world created, copied, and consumed about 120 trillion gigabytes of data. The world's total installed data storage capacity is expected to grow to 16 trillion gigabytes, or 125 billion iPhones worth of data in 2025, which is up from 6.7 trillion in 2020. Cyber attacks, meanwhile, have increased to 2,200 every day, with certain industries experiencing disproportionately more of them as their data is more vulnerable. That is why it is important to have a team to secure, manage, and protect all this data. Almost all financial institutions have experienced a cyber attack in one form or another, and the number of attacks is only increasing. Financial firms are 300 times more likely than other institutions to experience them, according to the Boston Consulting Group. In the event of a cybersecurity breach at a financial institution, collaboration among software engineers, computer engineers, lawyers, and bankers is critical. Software engineers identify and patch vulnerabilities in the institution's software systems, while computer engineers secure hardware and network infrastructure. Lawyers provide legal guidance, ensuring compliance with regulations and managing potential liabilities. Bankers offer strategic oversight, allocating resources and assessing financial implications. Together, they work to mitigate the breach's impact, protect the institution's assets, and restore trust among stakeholders. Effective collaboration amongst these professionals is critical for a swift and coordinated response to safeguard the institution's integrity and reputation. One major concern that came with the rise of cyberspace is the protection of user data. With all the online browsing, it's important for individuals to maintain control over their personal information and protect it against identity theft or unauthorized surveillance. For example, social media platforms such as TikTok gather millions of data every day to track which videos their user engages with. The data collection allows them to give a personalized feed adapted to the user's interests. This has raised concerns about the handling and potential misuse of user data. It is the software engineer's job to ensure that when developing these applications, security features and protocols are respected. This often includes the process of encryption in which data is converted into code using an algorithm. Then the data is stored in a secure database, ensuring it is kept safely and can only be retrieved by specific people. Cybersecurity experts work closely with software engineers to conduct regular security checking by testing and assessing the risks. This helps detect potential security vulnerabilities which could be exploited by hackers. They also monitor for unusual activity that could indicate a data breach and report them to the software engineers. Finally, lawyers ensure that the apps comply with all the data protection laws. They also advise on the legal implications of data collection and help draft privacy policies and terms of use that are transparent. Healthcare cybersecurity is one of the most important factors in assuring the proper organization and safety of the medical industry. Historically, the healthcare industry has been a primary target of cyber attacks, with the largest breach affecting 3.4 million people. There are many reasons why the healthcare industry is more vulnerable to data breaches. The protected health information data has a high value on the black market because of the abundance of information that can be used for identity theft, insurance fraud, drug prescription, and other illicit activities. Another reason would be ransomware attacks, where hackers encrypt a victim's files and demand payment to restore access. This can put patients at risk and lead to costly downtime. To solve these problems, software engineers, biomedical engineers, healthcare providers, and many more work together. Healthcare workers provide insight into the potential vulnerabilities and risk associated with the medical devices and electronic health records. Software and biomedical engineers then design and implement security measures like encryption, access control, and intrusion detection for the system and medical devices. Healthcare providers make sure that the solutions don't interrupt the workflow or disrupt patient care. Finally, training and awareness are done focusing on data protection practices. Overall, the challenge of creating a secure cyberspace in the three above domains requires collaboration and cooperation between the different engineering disciplines alongside a multitude of other individuals and professionals. To maintain a secure cyberspace, software engineers, biomedical engineers, computer engineers, as well as healthcare workers, politicians, law workers, and more, must all come together to ensure safe data management, decrease the number of cyber attacks, and to create a safe virtual world where people and their information are protected and secure. Thank you for watching.